Alright, this is a short video on how to fill out dihybrid crosses. Dihybrid crosses are showing when you are trying to track two traits, obviously represented by A's and B's here, A's and B's, and you're trying to track it between when you're crossing mom and dad, or this could be dad and this could be mom, whatever. So how do you figure out your combinations that go on the top of your box and on the side of the box? Okay, so what you do is this. It's kind of like the FOIL method. You start with this A and you go to this B, and that will give you your first combo, A, B. Then A again to the outside, and once again it's another A, B. And then you go to the inside, little letter A, to B, little letter A, to B, and then lastly the little letter A to the B. Okay, and that's another little letter A and another big letter B. Okay, so that's how you got your top part. You're going to do the same thing for this one on the side. Let's see if you can do that without me doing it for you. Alright, welcome back. You can see here that I've already gone through and did the same FOIL method I did over here. Now, remember, this combination went on top. Those are my four combinations. And now these combinations went down the side. Okay, so you can see here this big A, big B, big A, big B, big A, little b, big A to little b. And then once again we have little a, little b, little a to little b, and little a to little b gives me those final two there. Perfect. So now we have our dihybrid cross set up, okay? Now we need to fill in the squares. Now this is simply just bringing the letters down, okay? So we're gonna bring this A down all the way to every single one in that column. All right, now you can see here I got all these have A's in them now, and I got that letter A from up here, okay? Now, I like to stick with the letters the same first. Let's do the rest of these. This letter A is going to go down. These two smaller case A's, they're going to be distributed down. All right, so all I did was bring that A all the way down, that A all the way down, and that A all the way down. You may be wanting to jump in and do the B's next. I don't. I like to stick with the A's first. Do the same letters first. So what you're going to do now is you're going to put an A from this, from the A over here, you're going to put the A in these boxes. A over here, you're going to put it in these boxes. And these A's over here, you're going to put them in those boxes across. So you're going to distribute it across. Okay. Now you see that I have distributed the A all the way across and the A all the way across. This is why I like to do the A's first, because now you can combine them. They look nice and clean, and you can actually tell now, obviously we have homozygous dominance, heterozygous dominance, homozygous recessive, okay? You can look at this very easily. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do the B's next, okay? So what you'll do is the same thing. Let's see if you can do it. Distribute these B's down, and then these B's across. So kind of pause the video, see if you can get this correct. If you're getting back from the video that you paused, this is what the rest of the Punnett square should look like when you get it filled out. Hopefully this is what you got. Now remember, this video was just made to show you how to FOIL, get your combinations for the top and the side of the Punnett square, and then just basically how to fill out this Punnett square. Tune in for a different video to figure out how to do calculations and reading this data. Thanks.